In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up IC Markets account. We'll start on the official IC Markets website. Open your browser, search for the official site, and double-check the web address before you click. Look for the secure padlock in the address bar and select Start Trading or Open Account to begin the sign-up. Next, register your account by entering your legal name, a valid email address, your phone number, and your country of residence. Use real information you can verify. It helps avoid delays. When you're done, continue to the next screen. You'll now set up your trading account. Choose your platform. MetaTrader 4 is very beginner-friendly and widely supported. MetaTrader 5 offers more instruments and features like additional order types. CTrader is geared toward advanced users who like a modern interface and depth of market. Then pick your account type. Standard is typically best for beginners because the commission is built into the spread. Raw spread gives you tighter spreads with a separate commission, which many active traders prefer. These choices define how prices and orders work for you, so choose what fits your experience and style. Complete your profile and the brief questionnaire. Provide your address, employment information, and your trading experience. This is normal compliance, often called KYC, and it's in place to help protect clients. Answer honestly, it's fine if you're brand new. Now verify your account. Upload a clear photo or scan of a government-issued ID, such as a passport or driver's license, and a recent proof of address like a utility bill or bank statement. Make sure details are readable and match what you entered. Approval usually takes from a few minutes to a few hours. Once verified, fund your account. In the client area, open the deposit or funding section and choose a method such as bank transfer, card, or supported e-wallets. Processing times vary, and the minimum deposit is typically around $200. Only deposit what you can afford to risk. Download your chosen trading platform on desktop or mobile, install it, and log in using the credentials sent to your email. If multiple servers appear, select the exact one listed in that email. You're ready to start trading. Open charts, place a small test trade, and monitor your account to get comfortable. A few important tips before you dive in. Always use the official IC Markets website to avoid clones. Start with a demo account if you're new. Enable two-factor authentication for extra security, and don't rush. Practice first, then scale up carefully.